Hi friend, this is Suraj from Laxmi Technology Center. Today we are dispatching one of our export business complete set of the CSSD. This is the views of our product we are showing right now. This is a 450 liter steam sterilizer, drying cabinet and ETO. I am just showing the one by one close views. Now I am showing you the inside view of this steam sterilizer, and then one by one I will show you the complete inside view of the complete product, how it looks and how it can get constructed. This is a dome structure, gives you the perfect control over the pressure. Inside finishings, trays, holders to remove this. This is a double door autoclave. One side is a sterile area and second side is non-sterile area. This is a double door. This is a side views, and I am showing you the back view also. This is the back side view. Angle valve, pressure sensor, dual pressure sensor, dual PT100 sensor, TC clamps, gives you easy repair of the equipment, air controlled pneumatic valves systems, easy closing, closed by one hand. Now this is our drying cabinet. Opening this drying cabinet. Once open, the door will come open. You can make the arrangement for heating here. This is the C, how the air will come. From the top it will go to the bottom, and from the bottom it will suck the air to get complete air circulation from top to bottom. Viewing window, easy locking handles. Now I am closing this door. This is the door handle. Side views, hinges. Now this is our ETO. So the top three product in your CSSD is the steam sterilizer, CSSD, drying cabinet and the ETO. In every CSSD they are using the 2 steam sterilizer, 1 drying cabinet and 1 ETO machine. So now the next chapter is going towards the inside view of the ETO. This is inside view of the ETO. Bottom. Now closing the ETO. See how easy to close. Easy pushing handles. Very easy to close the handles. So this is all about our 3 electronics and software driven CSSD product. Now I am coming towards the next series, that is the furnitures. This is our unit 2, where we are getting all part assembled. Here, this is our unit 2. We are manufacturing different kind of the CSSD, blood bank and also the cell growth equipment to serve the different market. Now I am coming to Unit 2. The 360 view of our campus. This is Lakshmi Technology Center. Unit 2. Parking for our employee. Design team, IQC team, here is the designer, those who are working on the technology. We have the 5-axial bending machine, laser cutting machine, now next chapter is our CSSD furniture. Now in Unit 2, we are showing the product, that's the furniture, CSSD furniture. This is a closed transport trolley. Now see the inside view of the closed transport trolley. Fully protected from your infection. This gives you the complete closure. Easy to clean complete area. Easy to handle. Here is the handle to transport. These two are normally the used CSSD, 2 pieces. And this is the open transport trolley. This is a central packing table which will be used to pack the sterilized product either came from ETO or the steam sterilizer. The person will work from the both sides, left side and right side. Now there are other furniture is also here. I will explain you one by one. Thank you.
Computer table.
This is a working computer table. This is the one locker here to keep some valuable item, fully SS made. The CSSD will use 2 static pass box. This is a static pass box. Here is a smart controller. This will be give the controlled movement of the material. There is a 2 sides here. Both side controller you can install. Now coming to us to next product, that is the sink. This is a water sink. Water sink. This water sink came in closed and open type. Bottom is sometimes is a closed and open. Now these all are the racks, CSSD rack. Normally the CSSD department has 10, 12, 15 as demands. They are using the racks. This is the rack. I will give you the closed view of this rack now. It's a rack, fully assessed. Now this is all about the CSSD. We have explained you now. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.